Did I mention that it was a video?
Oh, is that what it is? I love her, I really do.
Oh. You should tell us about your recipe today, Nyla.
It's fattening.
Well, let's see. There's butter, cheese, egg, and pasta.
And light cream.
Ooh, cream too. Oh, is that Ricardo's famous sauce?
Yes.
His famous Alfredo sauce?
That I'm cooking.
Oh, you can't make Ricardo's famous Alfredo sauce. That's Ricardo's dish.
Okay. Well, the chef is injured this week.
Oh. So we're gonna have to
deal with my cooking.
I was gonna say we're gonna have to, what was the word I was looking for? We're gonna have to settle for second best.
Yes, settle for second best.